This is Snake Man again, June 6, 2012, Kui Buri National Park, Thailand. One adult elephant left and another one joined them. So there's still 3 in the water and 1 just left. God, I love these guys. This is what I came down here for. About 150 meters from these guys, and there's a group of Thai tourists down here on the left, all of them with their cameras, and everybody's getting some beautiful photos. I will come back. It is a little after 12 o'clock. It's hot and humid. It's the Snake Man, Kui Buri National Park, Thailand, June 6, 2012. Happy trails.